Hey everyone, this is Christina from American Stitched. Today we're going to check out our tie-dye challenge bundle. We're going to cover what comes in the package, what additional household items you're going to want to have handy when getting started, and a brief overview of how to complete the project. We've put together a DIY kid-friendly package that is focused on science, art, and most importantly, fun. Let's go through everything you're going to get first. 2 100% cotton tees. These shirts are white and will come pre-printed with the design of your choice. Design options are on our website. You get 3 tie-dye pigment packets, 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. These are primary colors and can be used to make additional colors if you would like. Soda ash to pre-treat your tees, rubber bands to secure your tie-dye shirts with, and last but not least, a pair of youth-sized gloves to protect your kiddos' hands. Additional items are also available for purchase on our website. This project will take a couple hours each day for 2 days and will be sure to be a great bonding experience for parents and children to do while spending time together at home. Here's the items from around the house that you'll want to have handy when getting started. A bucket or basting pan, a cooling rack. The cooling rack is optional, but we found it very helpful in minimizing the mess. A trash bag to cover your workspace, 3 empty water bottles, a screwdriver and a screw, 1 liquid measuring cup, and Ziploc bags. You'll want 1 for each shirt. Here's a few key points for you to remember when doing your project. Always wear gloves, both when doing the soda ash and when dyeing your t-shirts. A rack to place over your bucket or basting pan while tie-dyeing will catch anything that doesn't get absorbed into your shirt. And most importantly, have fun. We hope that everyone that decided to join us for the 2020 Tie-Dye Challenge really enjoys the project. We would love to see everyone's finished projects. So moms and dads too, if you post any pictures or videos online, please tag us on Facebook. American Stitched Embroidery and Screen Printing in Fallon, Missouri.